Hello everyone, good morning to all. Myself Lakshmi Prashanti. Today I would like to discuss about a concept that is metallic bonding. For computation purpose, every topic we have to read in a concept wise. For computation to appear for the computation, we have to read every topic for in a concept wise, conceptual. So today in this video I would like to discuss about the metallic bonding. What are the metals? We know. For example, in periodic classification in second lesson of the first year intermediate chemistry, the metals we will know that is nothing but metallic element. All the S block elements are what? Metals, and the P block elements are mostly non-metals. In D block we are having the metals, non-metals and metalloids also. It is a combination of both metals and non-metals. But when we come to the metals in our daily life, what are the metals we can use in our daily life? For example, for chairs or iron nails. Iron nails means iron is also a metal. Metal means that is having some electropositive nature. What is meant by this electropositive nature? It can easily lose its valency electrons, or it can easily give its valency electrons. It can, because of the ability to lose its electrons which are present in its valency shell. Okay. So, metal means iron is a metal that is electropositive in nature. Why? Electropositive nature means it is having the ability to give its electrons easily. That means ionization energy should be low. That means the amount of energy required to remove the valence electrons, that is low. If the energy is required is less, then it can easily give its electrons. If required energy is more, we can't spend that much energy to remove. That's why it cannot give its free electrons. So low ionization energy you should have. These are the main points, key points we have to remember for the metals. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about the bonding present in a metal. Metal is nothing but a solid substance, right? For example, iron metal. Here iron means not only single atom is present in the iron metal. It is a combination of so many number of atoms. Based on the atomic number, we can say the number of atoms present in that particular element. Okay. So, for example, if the iron metal. For iron metal also it is having some electrons. Metal means we are having three types of bands we are having. That is conduction band and valency band, and in between forbidden band. Right? In case of band theory, that means metal is having its, it can easily lose its electrons. That means it is having some free electrons. Free electrons is responsible for the conduction of electricity. So, electrons, because of the free electrons, electricity can be easily flow in case of a metal. So, it is having two bands, that is conduction band and valency band. This is the valence band, this is the conduction band. This gap present between is very less. Because of the more number of free electrons, they can easily move from one zone to another zone to allow the movement of the electricity. Okay. So here to hold the atoms present in a particular metal, that force which holds the atoms, that is nothing but metallic bonding. But here, what are the to which atoms or molecules, or what are the charges involved to attract one another? That is nothing but it is having these free electrons. That means it is having some free electrons. After giving some free electrons, the metal will become positive charge. That means, for example, after metal loses one of the electron, then it become positive charge. So here the metal give its valence electrons into conduction band. Then the metal will acquires its positive charge. So metal is having positive charge and it is presence of free electrons. So here all the atoms, Avogadro number of atoms present in the metal will lose its valence electrons and it become its cation, positive charged ion. So that electrostatic attraction between the positively charged metallic atom and the conducting free electrons, that attractive force between the positively charged metal atom and the conduction of the electrons which are helpful for the conduction of the electricity, that attractive force is known as metallic bond. Okay, what are the factors that are favorable for metallic bond? One is low ionization energy. If the energy required to remove the electron is less, we can easily remove the electron, then it become cation formation will be more readily formed if the energy is less. And availability of the free electrons, it should be more, then only metallic bonding takes place. Okay, I will write the notes here. Once go through the notes. Once see the definition. Metallic bond is a type of chemical bonding that arises from the electrostatic attraction between conduction electrons. Conduction electrons means the electrons which are available for the conduction of electricity. That electrons are present in the form of delocalized. Delocalized means they are available in the form of rotating in the metal, in the form of an electron cloud of delocalized electrons. So here a cloud of electrons are present in the form of delocalization and positively charged metal atom. So this attraction is present between the electrons and the metal positively charged metal atoms. I already explained the electrostatic attraction between the positively charged metal atom and the conduction electrons. And next, if in a simple way, if we write the metallic bonding, that is nothing but the electrostatic attraction between C of electrons. C means the cloud, electron cloud of delocalized electron, we can call it as C of electrons, and positively charged metal atom, that is nothing but and positive ions. And I already explained what are the main factors that are favorable for the formation of metallic bonding is nothing but it should have low ionization energy. Low ionization energy means it requires the energy required to remove an electron from the metal atom. That if it is less, then we can easily remove the electron from the metal, and formation of cation is also very easy. And second factor is availability of free electrons. That means the electrons which are present in the form of an electron cloud and free movement of the valency electrons. Okay, I think it is clear. Once go through the metallic bonding. Because of this metallic bonding, metallic bonding accounts for many physical properties of the metals such as strength, and that means for example any metal is it is having highly strength and ductility and thermal and electrical resistivity. Resistivity means opposing force of conductivity, and electrical conductivity, opacity and luster. Like all these properties are based on the metallic bonding. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.
Okay.